Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give decimal number, and then our program will convert the given decimal number into octal equivalent in C++ programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters, and most importantly to my subscribers. Thank you for watching my videos, likes, comments, suggestion. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So I'm using Dev C++ as my integrated development environment in writing this program. So we have here sharp include IO streams. For every C++ program, there is a library file for basic input output. So we have here IO stream input output using namespace std, and then we create here a function void decimal to octal int n passing parameter. If n equals 0, return, calling the function again decimal underscore to octal n divide by 8, and then we display the result here. So there is a recursion calling the function by itself here in this portion of the code. Starting by line number 13, there is a int main. It is the starting point of every C++ program execution and ending. So int n equals 0, the title of our program decimal to octal in C++. Line number 18 and 19, we are asking the user to give decimal number that will be stored in our variable n. Octal equivalent decimal underscore to octal n, calling the function passing parameters n. It will display the result and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended. Return 0, return to our operating system, and then we close the body of our main function. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code. Okay, so let us go to execute, compile and run. Okay, so our program is running currently. Sorry, but we don't know if the result is correct. So give decimal number. Let's say we have 500. So the octal equivalent for 500 is 776. We have to go here to verify in rapid tables online. 500 convert. The octal is 764. If we compare, we have the same result. So our program is correct. Okay, another example. Let us run again our code, our program rather. Let's say we have 45. The octal equivalent of 45 is 55. Let us go back on the online. 45, click convert. We have also 55. We have the same result both online in our program. Okay, so we were able to verify that the program that we write is correct in terms of output. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on decimal to octal conversion using C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.